Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're having a good Thursday. Me and Shan are at the warehouse. I'm gonna, please share it. I'm gonna wait for a few people to hop on and then we'll tell you the big news. Hi guys, do me a favor and say hi when you get here. If you would hit the share button, we would love you forever. Hi Emily. And if you comment that you shared it, we'll give you a big virtual hug. All right, Shan.
Ready to go?
Yep, we're looking at you. Hi, Anna. Hey, Derek. Oh my gosh, it's like a sauna out here. It's so hot. Hey, Justin. Say hi when you guys get here. Hey, Michelle. Thanks for the share. It means a lot. It means a whole lot. We're super excited about this. This is something that Shannon's wanted for how long, Shan?
2 years.
For 2 years. Something Shan's wanted for 2 years. And we got it on Monday? Tuesday. On Tuesday, so we've been keeping a little secret. Hi Aunt Vicky, hi Jessica, hi Nicole. And now we're going to show all of you guys. So first off, we just want to tell you how much we love Eldon and love restoring these old buildings. You guys know that me and Shannon love the history and all the old architecture in our town. So we are going to try to do everything that we can to make it a better place to live for you and for me and for everyone who lives here. So I'm going to turn it around and let Shan take it away. Okay.
I take it away?
Yep. It's all you.
Alright, so we bought this building here on the corner. It's diagonal from the drugstore, right across from the law office, and kind of on the other side of Cakes Baby here. So the building itself goes all the way from Maple Street all the way to the
Talk loud.
To the alleyway.
So we share alleyway with our craft factory. So I love that part because we're right close to home. Feels like. Okay, so do you want to do a tour or?
Yeah.
All right. So we kind of started chipping away at the mortar on the building, and there's brick, and you guys know I love brick, so that was super exciting. And if all goes well, hopefully most of it will be exposed. Shan?
We don't know.
We don't know yet, but that's my hope.
Somebody covered it up and really made it pretty ugly.
Yeah, we're not huge fans of the mortar because obviously it's not original, and we would love for it to kind of look similar to what it did back in 1930s-ish when it was built. You think 1930s-ish?
It's a lot older than that.
Shannon thinks it's a lot older than that. We don't know. Okay, so here's the next favor I need from you guys. If you know what this building was at any time, besides the salon and besides the lawyer's office and the massage therapy place, please comment below. Or if you know somebody who knows, tag them or share this, because we love the history and we'd love to know what it was originally. I'm trying to say hi to you guys, sorry. Hi Deborah, hi Rosie, hi Carrie, thanks. Hi Christopher Lassen. Oh, Sammy, thanks.
So let's walk to the front. And
okay.
To the front and
yeah. Hi Miranda.